The girls need help. What's up guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Minksbyv, and in today's video I'm going to show you really quickly how to do your first ever eye shape analysis and how to get it right. If this is your first time watching me, go ahead and subscribe and let's get into it. I'm going to display my model right here on the screen for you guys, and then I'm going to walk you through it. It's literally a 4-step process. That's how simple and easy it is. All you got to do is study. The first step you want to do in an eye analysis is you need to determine the eye positioning. All you need to do is take a line through their pupil, because the pupil is the most symmetrical feature on a face. And then from there, you're going to see if their eyes either tilt down, or if they're tilting upward, or if they're literally equal. The second step, you're going to determine the distance between someone's eye. Take a line through their eyeball. Take that same line and put it in the center of their face. If the line touches both of the inner corners of their face, that means that they're equal in distance. If that line is shorter than the center of the space in between their eyes, that means that their eyes are wider apart. If that line is longer than the distance between their eyes and the center of their face, that means that their eyes are closer together. The third thing in determining someone's eye analysis, you need to look at the direction that their lash hairs grow. Do the hairs grow down out of their eyelids? Do the hairs grow straight out of the eyelids? Are they growing straight out and then they curl towards the tip, making them semi-curly? Or do they curl backwards like the letter C or D, making them what some may say 4C? Or just having naturally curly lash hair. Then last but not least, you need to determine their eye features, which is the most difficult part, and this requires some practice. The first feature that stands out at me is that she has a floating eyeball, which categorizes her as prominent eye shape because her eyeballs are more bigger than her actual eye socket. I also see that her eyes sink into the face, which would categorize her as deep set. So she has what is determined as sunken eye features, and typically that means that the eyeballs sit back into the sockets of her skull. Because their eyes sit back into the skull, the rest of the features around their face are going to be a bit more prominent, meaning that their eyebrows are going to protrude out further. Their cheekbones are also going to protrude out further. It's like their nose profile from the side is going to be a little bit more protruding as well. And last but not least, on this particular model, her inner corner is very close to what will be considered an epicanthic fold. So in my next video, I'm going to show you guys an example of different eye features, how to identify those eye features, and how to point them out on different faces, and we can do a drill from there. So thank you for watching my video today. If you need more assistance in understanding how to do an eye analysis and to style your client, I do have a styling guide which goes over all different eye analysis for all the eye shapes, and it breaks down how basically to pick the right design and style for your customers. Give this video a thumbs up, comment what you think down below, and stay tuned for more of this series. Thanks for watching. Bye.